Audio Jungle.
Victoria is here with an interesting video. So before starting the review of this unique platform, I would request you to, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So let's start review now. Welcome to the Fame Awards. This is very unique and interesting platform, and this is the Fame Award pre-sale fair launch on Pink Sale. Here you can see their pre-sale is start, so you have to don't miss this golden opportunity. You have to join this amazing platform and you have to buy this NFTs beautiful. So welcome to the Fame Awards inspired by the Oscars, and we are celebrating the best of the cryptocurrency world. Get ready for laughter, excitement, and crowning of the year's top meme. So let's the party begins, and there is zero tax, 10% marketing, 15% reserved for CEX listing will be in upcoming days, and 5% airdrop reward will be in there. And here is Fame Shop also available, and NFT exclusive Fame collection is available, and LB block and burn CMC and CG fast track also, and marketing social media strategies and Dex spinner paid ads also. Here is a top callers influencers, and there is a token address contract address of this preset, this amazing platform. And here is the name of the which is the Fame Award symbol, and here you can see their decimal which is 6, and here total supply of this token also available token, and their total soft cap, hard cap, and liquidity is also available. And what is their pre-sale start time which is started, and after 7 days. Here you can see listing also in future. So here is the beautiful and unique Fame Awards. What's up? I'm Fame, the creator of the Fame Awards, and I want to award the best meme in the crypto world. So they will be awarded if they have the best meme in the crypto world, and if you reached on this amazing milestone raising billions. So it is on basically Solana blockchain program. So their pre-sale is started on Pink Sale at as I have described. So who will be awarded in upcoming days? By being the part of strong Fame community, you will be one who achieves the top prizes. So each of the categories has incredible airdrop also, and these are the special guest of Fame Awards. Here you can see the special guest of Fame Awards, and there are the Fame Awards roadmap all about future and past development about the Fame Awards. And so you don't miss out on the live broadcast of Fame Awards on Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, and you have to join their all social medias account, and you have to join us to experience the all exciting events of the evening, from the funniest moment to the crowning of the season top crypto memes. And as a part of our celebration, we are thrilled to announce exclusive airdrops for our holders. So you have to must join and buy. Tune in and be part the action of this unforgettable night in the world of cryptocurrencies. So on first day, Fame Awards inauguration, and in second day, award for highest market capitalization, and in third day, award for the highest growth in the shortest time. On fourth day, best community award will be announced, and in fifth day, award to the crypto meme with the highest number of holders, which have more and most. And sixth day, worst scam award also, and on 7th day, award to the best block meme chain. So here is their technical roadmap, and are you ready to fly to the moon? On in phase 1 there is private sale, and also on fair launch on Pink Sale and initial marketing. In phase 2, Fame NFT collection, Fame store, and also their CX listing and partnerships. In phase 3, CX listing also and major marketing pushes try of CX listing and continued growth. So here is their tokenomics total supply of this Fame Awards token and tax that I have described, which is 0%, and LP Bird 100% contract revoked, and there is private sale is also, which is 60%, CX listing 15%, and marketing should be 10%, and airdrop 5%, development 10%. So here is the beautiful NFT collections. So NFT collections, get ready to be dazzled by the first glimpse of our exclusive collection of the first 1000 fame NFTs and carefully crafted. These NFTs are not just a tokens, they are the your ticket to owning a piece of digital history. So you have to must buy these NFTs, and as I have described, these are the not tokens, and these are your tickets. You are owning a piece of digital history and capturing the essence of the most legendary memes of the year. So don't miss this limited opportunity to join the rack of fame NFT holders. So you have to must buy these NFTs, fame award NFTs. So here you can see they're beautiful all NFTs, and this is the big thrilling announcement of their fame shop, which will be start on 4 days 21 hours 17 minutes and after 30 seconds. So this is the fame shops. Here you can buy all of these things, and here is the, so it is the official telegram account of the fame awards. You have to join their communities, and you can see their all upcoming news and information about their NFTs, about their shops. So you have to must join this is their official telegram accounts of the fame awards. So you have to must follow this. I am also following this fame award Twitter. If you follow this, you can get their all announcement about their fame awards fair launch and about their airdrops and when they will be awarded, when their prizes. So here is all news are announced on their Twitter account. So you have to must join this. I recommend you to please join this amazing community, and you have to must join this community, and you have to invite your all family and friends on this amazing platform. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching.